can see they're relaxing.
That's adorable.
Got a bit distracted.
Oh my god, I'm so cute.
You're gorgeous.
They're so cute.
Oh, my little kitten. Oh wow, on your bag. Whoops.
Dad, did you zip your bag shut? Because if not,
Your computer bag.
You're about to have a kitten. Oh my god, this is like therapy. You can get people who are sad to watch this. You would cheer up.
Whoops. Oh, that's a good leaf. I think it's my honey basket.
You need a lid for it.
It'll make a nice bed. That's probably where they're going to choose to sleep.
Yeah.
I'm going to have to go and buy another ironing basket. Oh, tassels. Hadn't noticed tassels. Hey, little one.
Oh my goodness, that's so cute. Oh my god.
You think they haven't had much space to run around?
No. Oh my god, they're so cute.
What did they do at Burrell's house when as soon as they were let out?
Yeah, we'd run around. Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, and now they
be
can
careful,
move
that's
it.
the internet.
Yes, that's good.
You can't take that away from me.
I never thought that corner would be so exciting.
You're definitely going to be in your ironing basket
Yeah.
within seconds. Oh my goodness.
Whoops! Or stuck down. You know how Tippy's done that, hasn't he? Slipped down beside the bed and the radiator.
Oh my god, that's adorable.
That is.
It's like they're walking the plank or
It
something.
is, isn't it? Oh.
Oh my god.
Whoops.
This was definitely a good decision.
Yeah. And nice to have them now so we can, they like that. That
Look at
corner,
their little
they'll be up
faces.
those shelves, won't they?
Oh god, they will as well.
No, that basket. Oh,
She's
look
got a
at that.
paw in. Oh.
Oh, lovely.
you
Good
wanna-
boy. I'll go and give him attention. Good boy. You
Yeah,
want
well-
to keep an eye on.
Yeah.
Boy. Yeah, on there, Tippy. We've got you some cream too.
Are you going to go and meet him, lovelies? Oh. She's not sure. You two are too cute. You are too cute. Where are you going? I can't tell where the cat's gone. She went behind me and I don't know if I can lean back or not. Yeah, he's over there. Oh, kittens. Oops.
Good boy. You have a good look round at it.
You have a look. Good boy.
Good look. Good boy.
Boy, you can be on video too.
That's a nice little. He'll probably snuggle into their little bed. Good boy. It's all a bit odd, isn't it? And that's a cat box, and it will smell of different cats. Good boy. But they're very little. Good boy.
Meow.
Kittens, they won't cause you any grief at all. You go and see what's happening out here. Yeah. And they're going to have nicely smelling food, which your nostrils will say, cool, that smells good. Good boy.
Kitten, don't eat that.
Don't worry about it, Tippy. Don't worry about it.
Okay, this is really cute. The boy has found the string on your ironing board cover. And he is playing with it, and it is adorable. He's found the string on your ironing board cover, and he's playing with it, and it's really cute.
Would you rather have toast than pizza, Lydia?
Yeah, please.
Because of it actually, okay?
Eek. No one likes anchovies. Oh, hello. Oops. You do like using me as a tunnel, don't you, love? Where are you going? Where are you going?
Just tease it.
it in. Yeah. She made it in. Now she looks really surprised. You think I have to get out of there, lovely? Yeah? Who's your brother gonna go in? Okay, babies, I'm going to leave you to play because I want to go and have lunch.